Good morning, class. Condition of concurrency of three lines. Three lines a1x plus b1y plus c1z, c1 equals 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0, and a3x plus b3y plus c3 equals 0. Let first line is L1, it is L2, it is L3, means L1, L2, and L3 is then these lines are concurrent if there exist three constant such that lambda into L1, lambda 1 into L1, lambda 2 into L2, lambda 3 into L3 equal to 0. Then these lines are concurrent. It is condition of concurrency. Lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 are any three constant, not all equal to 0. हम इसे लगभग लैम्डा 1, लैम्डा 2, लैम्डा 3 अपनी ओर से मानते हैं, कुछ भी मान सकते हैं. मोस्टली लैम्डा 1, लैम्डा 2, लैम्डा 3 तीनों 1 के इक्वल माना जाता है. If we get this condition, then that three lines are concurrent, so that the perpendicular bisector of the sides of a triangle are concurrent. Means let it is triangle ABC whose vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, and perpendicular bisector of this triangle, of the sides of this triangle are concurrent. Means we have to show that perpendicular bisector are concurrent, passes through a fixed point. For it, firstly we find the midpoint of AC, BC and AB, because it is perpendicular and bisector. Bisector means it divides the side into equal parts. Then midpoint of BC, midpoint of BC. X2 plus X3 by 2, comma Y2 plus Y3 by 2. Also slope of BC. Y3 minus Y2 and X3 minus X2. Then slope of perpendicular bisector to BC. Since it is M1 and the line which is perpendicular to BC is let M2, then M1 M2 equal minus 1, then M2 is equal to M1, it is M1 and M1 into M2 equal minus 1, then M2 equal minus 1 by M1, means minus 1 by M1 means reciprocal of this term. We have X3 minus X2 by Y3 minus Y2. Equation of perpendicular bisector. Since perpendicular bisector passes through the midpoint of BC and having slope minus X3 minus X2 by Y3 minus Y2, then equation of perpendicular bisector is Y minus Y1 equal M X minus X1. Then it is Y3 minus Y2 Y minus Y3 minus Y2 Y2 plus Y3, then it is Y2 square minus Y3 square by 2 X2 square minus X3 square by 2, and we have Y3 minus Y2 Y plus X3 minus common X3 minus X2 X X2 square minus X3 square by 2 plus Y2 square minus Y3 square by 2 equal 0, and it is L1. Then equation of perpendicular bisector of BC. Equation of perpendicular of side CA, and it is Y3 minus Y2 X3 minus X2. Then for CA we have L2 equal X1 minus X3 X plus y1 minus y3 y plus x1 minus x3 x, y1 minus y3 y, and it is x2 square minus x3 square. Then in it x3 square minus x1 square by 2 plus y3 square minus y1 square by 2 equal 0. And equation of perpendicular bisector of AB is L3 equal x2 minus x1 x plus y2 minus y1 by similar way y plus x1 square minus x2 square by 2 plus y1 square minus y2 square by 2 equal 0. Now let lambda 1 equal lambda 2 equal lambda 3, all are equal to 1. Then we have 1 into L1 plus 1 into L2 plus 1 into L3. Condition for concurrency means 1 into L1 L2 L3. 1 into L1, value of L1 is y3 minus y2 x plus x3 minus x2, sorry, y3 minus y2 y, x3 minus x2 x plus x2 square minus x3 square plus y2 square minus y3 square by 2, 1 into L1 plus 1 into L2. 1 into L2 means L2 is x1 minus x3 x plus y1 minus y3 y plus x3 square minus x1 square plus y3 square minus y1 square by 2 plus L3. 1 into L3 means x2 minus x1 x plus y2 minus y1 y plus x1 square minus x2 square plus y1 square minus y2 square by 2. Now we see that if we take x common from x3 minus x2 into x, x1 minus x3 into x, and x2 minus x1 into x, we have x3 minus x2 plus x1 minus x3 plus x2 minus x1, and y3 minus y2 plus y1 minus y3 plus y2 minus y1 plus 1 by 2 common. We have x2 square minus x3 square plus y2 square minus y3 square plus x3 square minus x1 square plus y3 square minus y1 square plus x1 square minus x2 square minus y2 square, and all these terms cancel out, and we have equal to 0, then perpendicular bisector are concurrent.